And Del Potro dethrones Federer under the lights here in New York in the most dramatic fashion possible.
2009 U.S. Open men's tennis. Juan Martín Del Potro of Argentina wins his first Grand Slam title. Beats defending champion Roger Federer 3-6, 7-6, 4-6, 7-6, 6-2.
I mustn't, the doctor said I mustn't. It'll all end in tears if I misbehave.
I've got someone staying on weekends. He's a child prodigy.
What's he like when he gets to know you better?
Oh.
What's the matter, David?
It's a blank, it's a blank, it's a blank. It was all such a long time ago.
(1996) 21st Toronto International Film Festival. Shine, directed by Scott Hicks, wins the People's Choice Award.
Hi there. Ma! Ma, what's the matter?
Everyone is fine. No one died. The home burned down.
My God, are you all right? How'd you get here?
I hitched.
Ma.
A cab. I took a cab.
Well, you should have called.
I'm perfectly capable of managing by myself. I don't need help. I'm a totally independent person.
I know. I
need $67 for the cab.
$67? Ma, this is crazy. The home is 15 minutes from here.
My cab driver is Cuban. He said there was an additional tax for a bilingual driver.
I'll take care of him.
1985, The Golden Girls, starring B. Arthur, Betty White, Rue McClanahan, and Estelle Getty, debuts on NBC. 1975 Rembrandt's oil painting, The Night Watch, slashed and damaged by an unemployed schoolteacher, in the Rijksmuseum, Amsterdam. 1975 Mother Elizabeth Ann Bailey Seton canonized as first U.S.-born saint by Pope Paul VI. 1959 Soviet Union's Luna-2 is first spacecraft to land on the Moon. 1939 World's first practical helicopter, the VS-300 designed by Igor Sikorsky takes tethered flight in Stratford, Connecticut. 1914 Lord Kitchener, Your Country Needs You, appears as front cover design for the London Opinion magazine. 1901 Theodore Roosevelt is sworn in as the youngest man to serve as U.S. President, after William McKinley finally dies after an anarchist shoots him in Buffalo. He was only 42 years at the time and became the 26th President of the United States. 1867 Karl Marx publishes Das Kapital, Volume 1, his theory of the capitalist system and how it is doomed to destroy itself. 1848 Alexander Stewart opens the first U.S. department store, the Marble Palace, in downtown New York City. 1812 Great Fire of Moscow begins as Napoleon approaches the city and retreating Russians burn it. Fire continues to burn for 5 days.